Hey there, crafty pals. Today, I'm excited to share how to create this stunning layered sequin flower, starting from the outside and working our way in. It's perfect for decorating kurtis, clips, or even brooches. Step 1. Start with the outer layer. Sew large sequins in a tidy circle, and pop a seed bead on top of each one to give it a lovely raised edge. Step 2. For the second layer, slightly stitch the sequins and beads. Make sure to overlap them well to achieve that full layered petal look. Step 3. Add the inner layer with even smaller sequins to add some extra dimension. Step 4. To finish it off, place a pearl bead in the center and secure it with a few stitches. Don't miss out on our free WhatsApp group where you can get PDF guides and mini classes. Follow us on Instagram for daily crafting inspiration. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial to help support the channel. And there you go. Your shiny 3D sequin flower is all set.